And hello and welcome to another exciting video where I work on my truck. Sometimes I'm successful, sometimes I'm not. So in today's video I'm gonna be working on my side cameras, on my off-road camera system that I installed a few years ago. And surprisingly it still works. All these years, all this time after abuse and everything, and even the cameras underneath the truck, everything still works. The one underneath over there on the rear axle, I actually broke it on the rocks, the casing cracked, but I was able to glue it together and it still works. Now my side cameras, I really had bad luck with it, because 2 times I already broke it off from the tree, and this one is the second time the outer case completely broke, so I have it temporarily fixed with a zip tie, because they stick out too much, and I mean I damaged it over here. So I want to try to replace them for much lower profile cameras. I mean, probably if I'm snagging the cameras off, I should be, maybe I just should not go through the tight spots to begin with, but anyways, I want to try to replace them. So I got 2 cameras with some connectors that I might have to use. These cameras were meant to be for the backup cameras. As you can see, they are much smaller. They're way smaller. So if I install it over here, hopefully there's less chances of breaking it. They're pretty much almost the size of my of the washers of the sprinkler system. Now the only thing, they have a different connection, so that's why I bought these converters, these plugs. They may or may not use with my system. They also have their own cable over here, and they also have the switch, which video format they can be programmed. So I may have to somehow try to pre-program them, because the way my monitor works over there, I don't recall. I think it's in a PAL format, maybe. I don't think it's a 1080p, maybe not, I don't remember. So, but yeah, let me try and work on this and see what happens. But first I gotta remove my current cameras and see if I can wire it up. Okay, so the camera is out, so now I'm gonna get my converter, I guess you might call that converter. Just put that in here for now. I'm gonna plug the camera in here and see if it's gonna work. So this one plugs into here, just like that. Alright, now let's just power it up and see what happens. Okay, the screen is starting and there is no signal. Great. So now I gotta figure out what video format I need to put it on in order for it to work. Okay, so sometimes things don't go as planned. So I ordered these connectors, which claim to be 4-pin connectors, but when I tested with a voltmeter, only 3 pins are connected. So I'm not getting either the power or the video signal from the camera back to the head unit. So I figured I'm gonna try and just, as you can see, I already cut them. Luckily they all color coded, so now I'm just gonna try to bypass this and try to splice them color to color and hope that the issue is not here or here, and let's hope it works. So just gonna expose the cables and do the connection myself, and like I said, hopefully it works. So once I do that, I'll test one of these cables, then we're gonna continue.
A few moments later.
Alright, so that's not gonna work, because one end is 4-pin, but the other end is only 3-pin. There is no 4th cable inside this plug over here, so I know I didn't cut it in there because it's only 3 cables. So what is the sense of this? I don't know. This is kind of stupid. Why claim to be a 4-pin connector when it's clearly not? So yeah, great. All right, so let's move to the next plan. Plan A, no, plan B, no, this was plan B, C, D, I don't know, whatever is the next letter in alphabet. So yeah, I gotta get the new cables. Probably gonna get 2 4-pin connectors of each type and try to do the splice myself. So I'll see you guys in sometime later.
Much later.
Alright guys, after a few days we are back again at this. So far none of my attempts worked. By getting this cable, it's not even the right cable, it's only 3 cables on one of them, so that didn't work. Then I got these cables, I made the splice and everything, but then I realized that the one I got is actually a female when I needed a male, and I specifically ordered the right one, so that didn't work either. So I just reused and cut this plug and spliced with a new one. Everything seems to be fine. I tested the cable, the continuity is all working, but I'm not getting any video signal from the camera still. Not on my truck, not on a little screen that I have for work. It didn't work. So now the next step, I got these kind of connectors. So this is, I don't know what stage we on already, how many times I already tried different configurations, so I'm gonna try to plug in this to go directly to the video splice, so I might have to use all of these cables. Get the camera over here, gets connected directly into here. That way I may, while it's connected to the truck, play with this switch for different video outputs. So let's connect this and see if that's gonna work. Alright, so what do I have here? I have my power coming in and out and everywhere, so I'm just gonna connect this over here. So that should fit video signal and a power signal to the camera. So let's see if that's gonna work. This is my last hope. And there's no video signal. Great. It does not work. Alright, but maybe this unit is bad. So let me try to switch to a different camera. Different camera and different wiring. Okay, it's all hooked up, so let's try it. And no video signal either as well. Alright guys, looks like it's not working. Looks like nothing is working, guys. Oh my, how many times, how many ways I already tried to get it working? It does not work. Great.
One eternity later.
And welcome back guys to my ongoing video about trying to replace the cameras, my side cameras. It's actually been a few weeks since I started this project, and I've been trying and doing multiple things, multiple cameras, but in the end I figured out none of the other cameras gonna work with my system, so I ended up just getting another exactly the same camera that I had. So yeah, exactly the same. I guess only these cameras work with that screen, with that monitor. So I'm just gonna install it, replace it, and keep using these cameras unless I have to replace the entire video system. And I'm just gonna have to keep dealing with these cameras sticking out on the side. I mean, it's not too bad. I mean, if I'm this close to breaking stuff off the truck, I have other things to worry about. I just have to be careful, try to pick a better lanes, not to break stuff, and yeah, so let me just replace them, install them, and yeah, I guess that's it, guys. This video unfortunately didn't come out as the way I planned it. I really wanted to have those small side cameras, but hey, I'm not always successful, right? So, but anyway guys, now I'm gonna finish the video right here, right now, so I guess I see you guys next time. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time everybody, bye.